show us how to do it. So this is how you get rid of hiccups. You plug your nose and you drink. Let's see if it works. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I don't know. Did it work? We'll know in 30 seconds.
Here's my drink.
That's your drink.
It didn't.
Oh, you got him again? Dang it. Okay, YouTube, now you know what not to do if you need to get rid of hiccups. Because that does not work. What? What happened? Oh, you hiccuped. If you hiccup during it, it never works. You gotta hold your breath. I'll do it with you. You hiccuped? Oh, man.